जब लग गुरु मिले न साचा, तब लग गुरु करो 10 पांचा।
Can one change Guru? Is it a sin to changing a Guru? After all, who is the right Guru in this path of spirituality? Who is the Tattvadarshi saint mentioned in the Gita? To know the answer to all these questions, please listen the nectar words of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, based on the holy scriptures of all religions.
To attain God, great men even ruined their bodies by doing penance, and those whose heart was hurt. So how was it?
लागी का मार्ग और है, लगे चोट काल जा करके। लागी का मार्ग और है, लगे चोट काल जा करके। लगे चोट काल जा करके, लगे चोट काल जा करके। लागी का मार्ग और है, लग चोट कलेजा करके। लग चोट काल जा करके, लागी का मार्ग।
It is said, when you have passion for God, there will be ache in your heart. A different emotion will arise, God says, when you will feel passion for God. It is said,
कबीर वैद बुलाया और पकड़ के देखी बाँ, और वैद न वेदन जान ही मेरा कर कलेजे बा।
family members thought he has become very ill and remains depressed. He has got some terrible disease. They called doctor, who checked the pulse. Doctor said, pulse is fine. He is not unhealthy. Yet, how does he remain lost like this? God says,
कबीर वैद बुलाया पकड़ के देखी बाँ, और वैद न वेदन जान ही मेरा कर कलेजे बा। बन बीच भरतरी भूप ने एक मारा ताणे निशाना। बन बीच भरतरी भूप ने एक मारा ताणे निशाना। कोई घड़ी सदी थी आवन की, साधु का हो गया आना। कोई घड़ी सदी थी आवन की, साधु का हो गया आना। कोई मुआ मृग जवा दियो, न तार धरो न बाणा। कोई मुआ मृग जवा दियो, न तार धरो न बाणा। वो जिंदा कर दिया डोर था, शिष बन्या परीक्षा करके। शिष बन्या परीक्षा करके, शिष बन्या परीक्षा करके। लागी का मार्ग और है, लग चोट काल जा करके। लग चोट काल जा करके, लग चोट काल जा करके। गोपी चंद योगी हो गए जिन ले लिया भगमा बाणा। गोपी चंद योगी हो गए जिन ले लिया भगमा बाणा। गुरु महल जना ने भेजता डोडी पे अलख जगाना। गुरु महल जना ने भेज तेरा जो डोडी पे अलख जगाना। व्यंजन 3600 छोड़ के भिक्षा का भोजन खाना। व्यंजन 3600 छोड़ के भिक्षा का भोजन खाना। तन पड़ गया कम जोर था, ना खाया उदर भर के। ना खाया रे उदर भर के, ना खाया उदर भर के लागी का मार्ग और है लगे चोट काल जा करके, लगे चोट काल जा करके, लगे चोट काल जा करके। बाजीद कहे उठाओ ऊंट को, लोग कहें ये मुआ। बाजीद कहे उठाओ ऊंट को, लोग कहें ये मुआ। रही उठन आड़ी चीज नहीं गया ओडे सलानी सुआ। रही उठन वाली चीज नहीं गया ओडे सलानी सुआ। कुछ नक्सक बिगड़या है नहीं बाजीदा अचरज हुआ। कुछ नक्सक बिगड़या है नहीं बाजीदा अचरज हुआ। जिन करया अचंबा गोर है तजा राज काल से डर के, तजा राज काल से डर को, तजा राज काल से डर के। लागी का मार्ग और है लगे चोट काल जा करके। सुल्तानी मगन बैराग में जिन तज दिया बलख बुखारा। सुल्तानी मगन बैराग में जिन तज दिया बलख बुखारा। कदे पालकियों में चाल तेरे अज ठालिया गुदड़ बारा। कदे पालकियों में चाल तेरे अज ठालिया गुदड़ बारा। सब संगी छोड़ी रोवती रोवे था कुण बासारा। सब संगी छोड़ी रोवती रोवे था कुण बासारा। शोर मचारण वास में ना देखा पीछा फिर के, ना देखा पीछा फिर के, ना देखा रे पीछा। लागी का मार्ग और है लगे चोट काल जा करके। लागी का कुएं में शेख फरीद ने किसी मीठी बोली बासा। कुएं में शेख फरीद ने किसी मीठी बोली बासा। तुम चुन चुन कागा खाली और मेरे हाडा पर का मासा। तुम चुन चुन कागा खाली और मेरे हाडों पर का मासा। मेरे दो नैना मत छेड़ नर मोहे राम मिलन की आशा। मेरे दो नैना मत छेड़ियो मोहे राम मिलन की आशा। जिन करी तपस्या गोर थी वो हुए आसरे हर के, वो हुए आसरे हर के, वो हर के। लागी का मार्ग और है लग चोट काल जा करके, लग चोट काल जा करके, लग चोट काल जा करके। लागी का पीपा दरिया में कूद गए रजिन कैसी करी डिठाई। पीपा दरिया में कूद गए रजिन कैसी करी डिठाई। वो नर पाड़ा जीत गए जिन सिर धड़की बाजी लाई। वो नर पाड़ा जीत गए जिन सिर धड़की बाजी लाई। कह मंगलानंद चेती और तुम सोच समझ मेरा भाई। कह मंगलानंद चेतियो कुछ सोच समझ मेरा भाई। बिन चेते यू झूठा शोर है कुछ जाइयो सुकर्म करके। कुछ जाइयो सुकर्म करके, कुछ जाइयो रे सुकर्म करके, लागी का मार्गे और है लगे चोट काल जा करके.
Virtuous souls, to attain God, these great men left their kingdoms, and how much hard penances they performed, like Sheikh Farid ji. Left home to attain God, to find Him. Whichever Guru he found, bases him, he practiced very sincerely. Guruji was an ascetic. He told the path of penance. The disciple has to remain firm on Guruji's words. But they were fake gurus, and disciples were real. Those disciples did penance by way told by Guruji, it is said by hanging upside down in a well for 12 years. He did penance with head down and foot up, and had eaten 50 kg grains in 12 years, 50 kg. In 12 years. Pious souls, earlier a man's daily diet was 1 kg at one time. At that time, 12 years, multiply 12 by 365 and make grams of 50 kg. How much will it become of 50 kg? How many grams came in his share daily? Due to this reason, he used to eat less food so that he does not become lazy. In devotion, the body became weak, and in end only, skeleton remained. Crows thought this man has died by hanging. They came to take out his eyes. Then Sheikh Farid thought that God was not found and body is finished. Crows will eat my eyes, then how will I see God? And entire Muslim religion says that God is bechun, is formless. This is reverse concept. They say something and do something else. We all were saying things like this. There is evidence in Holy Bible that God is written to be like humans. He made humans like himself. It is written in Holy Quran Sharif that God created universe in 6 days and sat on throne on the 7th day. And Holy Vedas tell that God is like humans in man form. He comes from there with speed. He resides above in Satlok. He lives in Satlok. Yet we all keep saying that God is formless. Ask any Sikh and a Christian, how is God? He will say God is formless. Divine is formless. Holy scriptures tell that God is human-like, is bodily, his name is Kabir. Now same misconception was to pious soul Wajid ji. His birth was in Muslim religion, yet he started spiritual practice under the guise of saints. When he has seen that God is not found and body will end, now there is no option, crows will eat my eyes and I will die in agony. Then he said, "O crows," spoke very slowly. When he spoke, the crows flew away. They thought he was dead. He said, "Brother, if there is any flesh left on my body, then eat flesh. But don't disturb my eye. Don't eat my eyes. I hope to see God." Saying this, he wept bitterly. Pious souls, बिना प्रेम पावे नहीं, चाहे करोड़ समाधि ला. The love for God aroused in him that God is not found, body would not remain, eyes would not remain. Then even if God will come, how will I see? At same time, what did God do? He grabbed that rope and pulled him out. God, Kabir, Allahu Akbar, reached there and held him by rope. He started pulling him out like a bucket full of water is taken out. Sheikh Farid thought because earlier some naughty boys, cow herds, Pali, sheep and goat herders used to misbehave by grabbing his rope, would shake like this and leave, and he keeps bumping here and there in a well. He used to protect his head. The children used to run away. He knew that mischievous ones would go away after doing mischief. That day he thought such an idiot had come. He took me out. Now he will beat me. He said, "Oh brother, don't trouble me. You do your work. I am doing my job. Saints should not be troubled." God slowly took him out. He was hanging with feet above and head down. God said, "What are you doing here?" Sheikh Farid says, "I am practicing, doing penance to see God." God said, "I am God. Allahu Akbar." He says, "Don't joke." Sheikh Farid says, "Don't joke. You cannot be God. God is formless, is bechun, he is not seen. He is formless." God said, "Saint, O devotee, why are you making this effort? You were saying, I am doing spiritual practice for Allah's vision, and on the other hand, you are saying God is formless, your theory is something else, and practical is something else. Well, gentlemen, when he is formless, then why are you wasting time? Then how will you see him?" There is a proverb in native language in Haryanvi.
कि गाम का और ज्ञान का चमका ऐसा लग गया करे।
One who is working in fields in summer is told you have got heat stroke, means you have become sick because of heat, that is called heat stroke. It is said in that one blow he got heat stroke. That's why it is said Gam ka aur Gyan ka chamka sa ho sa. His intellect was to be set. All of a sudden screws were fixed. He thought, really, on one hand, we say God is formless, and on other hand, we are practicing wrong to see him, are doing hard penances. Then he thought he would not be God, but is surely a messenger of God. He held his feet as it is, while hanging, and said, "O saint, you have really opened my eyes. How is God?" Then God said, "I am God. I am divine." But he still did not believe. God was omniscient. He took him out and said, "What enemy you have with your body? Why are you destroying this body? It is very precious. Eat food."
प्रथम अंजल संयम राखे, योग युगत सब सतगुरु वाखे।
One should not eat too much, so that laziness comes and you sleep. You cannot even worship, and should not eat so little that the intestine shrinks.
अंजल संयम राखे, योग युगत सब सतगुरु वाखे।
Then he said God knew that he would not believe like this, that I am God. Then he was told, "See, to go to God's residence, you have to be equipped with devotion. Earlier you were full of devotion. When you get charged so much, only then will you be able to go back there with as much devotional wealth as you came along with. For that, I will tell you a method you practice. You will attain salvation." Sheikh Farid did like that. Then his welfare happened. Virtuous souls. What do God say? This servant wants to tell you that how hard austerity virtuous souls did to attain God and still remained in vain, and you have to sit for a while and listen to the spiritual discourse, that too in so much convenience. So how fortunate are you that knowledge and God, which we could not find even by searching today, that God himself is coming in front. He himself is appearing. Your darkness of ignorance is removed, and consider God is in front of you, because to attain God, we have to do devotion. Like God had taken respected Dharamdas ji to Satlok, and after going there he saw that really Kabir ji is God. And seeing that world and this world, one does not even feel like looking here. This is such a dirty place. Then Dharamdas ji had said that God, keep me here.
मत भेजो महाराज, हमसे बिगड़ी है मोहे। ना घालो महाराज, हमसे बिगड़ी है। बिगड़ी है महाराज, हमसे बिगड़ी है महाराज हमसे बिगड़ी है, मत भेजो महाराज हमसे बिगड़ी है, ना घालो महाराज काल की नगरी है, वह तो मत भेजो भगवान काल की नगरी है.
Going there, Dharamdas ji says, "Don't send me back. That is a very dirty world." Then God said, "Son, if you have to be brought like this, then I can bring everyone at once. You go, you have been given a mantra, do devotion. I will be with you from time to time. Dharamdas, don't worry. And I have given such a mantra of devotion, you will get so much devotion with one chanting. By breath that you will not be able to count, so much devotion will be accumulated for you. And very soon, being equipped with devotion, with full of devotional power, you will be able to come here. Else it is very easy to attain God. Like God Kabir ji had gone after staying for 120 years. Everyone saw, had an audience and everyone was getting him. But who went there? Mind will get away from here. With this knowledge and battery will be charged by devotion. Your soul will be charged. With power of that devotion, when soul will move from here, then there will be so much speed that no one will be able to stop it. And together God will be with you in form of this servant. What is being said? By not understanding God, we kept on destroying our life by doing devotion to other gods, doing other practices, and we became devoid of devotion. What is being said? One of the virtuous souls whom God met is respected Garib Das Ji Maharaj Ji, who had attained God. What has he said about knowledge? Received from God, what is being said? This mind is Kal's agent when he is inspired for true devotion. He is not ready to accept it and tell him any other practice which is not for attaining God. He does it at any cost. For example, someone observes a fast on Monday, and if someone tells him to start even on Friday, you will attain salvation from that, then he will start on Friday also. Then if somebody says to him, by going to Vaishno Devi, your welfare will happen, and he used to go to Salasar, then he would definitely go to Vaishno Devi. Then if someone tells him that tie a thread to a jati tree, there with that your welfare will happen, then he will reach there as well. And if someone says that this practice is wrong, leave this and do that practice which is certified in Vedas and scriptures, then his mind will become stubborn, it will not listen at all and will not accept and will say no. Who has seen? So what does God tell? That soul has been associated with this mind. We have become dependent on Kal, and this Kal has left an agent upon us, mind over soul, and he gets all opposite works done. He keeps everyone's desires here so that the soul remains trapped here and he's unable to see anyone else. When the soul knows, then what is told?
मैं तो दे दी है बाल में बैरे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बाल में बैरे नू, मैं तो दे दी. मैं तो दे दी है बाल में बैरे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बाल में बैरे नू, मैं तो दे दी. संसारी दी गल्लां चिन्ने ना बूझे शब्द जो गहरे नू. संसारी दी गल्लां चिन्ने नहीं बूझे शब्द जो गहरे नू. ये मुर्दों से ती प्रीत लगावे न जाने सतगुरु मेरे नू. ये मुर्दों से ती प्रीत लगावे न जाने सतगुरु मेरे नूम तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नूम तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नूम तो दे दी। श्वेत छतर सिर मुकुट बिराजे देखत न उस चेहरे नू। श्वेत छतर सिर मुकुट विराजे देखत न उस चेहरे नू। ये ऊंची थलियां खेती बोवे भूल रहे निज डरे नू। ऊंची थलियां खेती बोवे ये भूल गए निज डरे नू। मैं तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नूम तो दे दी है बालम बेरे। ये संसार समझदा नाही कहंदा श्याम दोपहरे नू। ये संसार समझदा नाही कहंदा श्याम दोपहरे नू। गरीब दास ये वक्त जाते है रोगे इस पैरे नू। गरीब दास ये वक्त जाते है रोगे इस पैरे नू। मैं तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नू। मैं तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नू। मैं तो दे दी है बालम बेरे नू।
What is said in this? The soul is crying to God that, "Oh God, my relation with this mind stone has been done with this deaf mind." There is no belief in God's words, and whatever some worldly person says, he accepts it as final. In fact, many incidents happen with our devotees, but some are special. One devotee used to remain very sad. Ramesh Jain, we had written about him in this book as well, in Gyan Ganga book. He was telling that there was a havoc in his house. His two sons were twins and both used to remain ill, one in hospital, another one at home. When one comes second, one would go to hospital. His wife had asthma. One daughter used to have fits. He got to know some devotees told him that if you take initiation, you will become healthy. God did mercy, then whole family took mantra from God and everything became fine. There was no problem for 4-5 months. Then what happened? The day of worship of Goga came. 9th is worshipped of Goga. On other side, some of her neighbor friend came. The name of Ramesh Jain's wife is Kamlesh. She said, "Kamlesh, you did not worship Goga today." She said, "No, baby, we have made a guru. Our Guruji has told us not to do so. We will not worship." Neighbor said, "It is said you should not agree to all words of Guruji. We have also taken initiation from Radha Swami. We do all work." And she told us that there was someone, they did not worship gods, they had only one son, he died. Now they cry badly. Finally, she scared her and did magic of Goga. She worshipped Goga. Goga was worshipped. The next day, both his sons were admitted to hospital. The girl had fits and she could not breathe. She had asthma, as it is. A previous situation happened. Being afraid she is not telling what mistake I have done, now devotee will be very angry that you have destroyed the whole story. He asks, "What happened? I do not know." We have become like same again. That devotee came and went to that devotee who had connected contact with this servant, with God. This servant has given God's mantra. He went to that devotee. He lives in his neighborhood. He said, same has happened to us as it was before. Ramesh said, this cannot happen. He contacted us and said, I will tell you. He met me and told me. I told him he must have surely committed some mistake. He went to his house. You must have broken some rule. God tells,
जब लगन सा हमरी आना और काल लगे नी तेरा बाना.
by souls consider God's dignity. Words as was Lakshman Rekha. Sita felt it was little. She thought, what wrong would happen? Sage is standing, let me give dough. Now I'll come immediately. Today she comes after crossing the line. So, pious souls, they were not madmen who had gone by saying, Sita, don't go out of it. Similarly, consider this as Lakshman Rekha, the rules that the servant tells you. If you break it even a little bit, then Kal will immediately grab your neck. Now that devotee went to the house of that devotee whom he had got initiated. Let's go and see how this condition happened. How does it happen? Roaming naturally, he went to veranda on backside. One veranda was in front, one was at backside. There was a bathroom alongside. He went to bathroom. He saw there at veranda behind, as there is a cover of a vessel. There was kapad, as it is said, on which some charm was done. Gugal dhoop, some grains were put in like some magic is done. He asked a devotee, what have you done this? Ramesh asked his wife, what have you done this? She said, Goga has been worshipped. Goga is worshipped. Then that devotee said, again Goga has come to you. He was moved out with great difficulty. You again called Goga. Her husband became very angry that you had spoiled the matter. Now what will happen? He asked her, why did you do this? Then his wife said, one neighbor had come. I had refused a lot. I got scared, and she said he had only one son who died because he did not worship him. I got scared and thought to also worship Goga. God says,
100 वर्ष सतगुरु की पूजा, एक दिन आन उपासी, वो अपराधी आत्मा फिर पड़े काल की फांसी.
what is the solution now? They again contacted me, take initiation again, and if you will not make this mistake in future, then only I will give initiation, else I will not give. Almighty had to make them firm by giving them this lesson. Then whole family again took mantra, initiation. This was in 1995. Today it has been 16 years. There is no problem in their house. They come here, get their part done, listen to spiritual discourse. All children are healthy. Virtuous souls, God says,
संसारी दी गल्लां चिने ना बुझे शब्द जो गहरे नु, ये मुर्दों से ती प्रीत लगावे न जाने सतगुरु मेरे नु.
those who have died, their memorial are built in villages. Babaji used to live, he used to perform austerity. Now people worship his memorial. Well, gentlemen, think something with your mind. Like there was a doctor and he used to give medicine after examining pulse, and patient became healthy. It is very good. After his death, his mausoleum is made where his last rites are performed, or install an idol over him by making a memorial. And if someone goes to worship that doctor, so will he cure diseases? Will he tell medicine? Will he check your pulse? He cannot check. Therefore, one has to find same doctor like him at present who examines pulse as soon as one reaches and provides medicine. God says, you worship these dead, worship me alive. I will tell you whole method and provide salvation. Then what does God tell? Shwet chhatar sir mukut viraje dekhat na us chehre nu. In Satlok, God is seated inside a huge dome. He is sitting in middle of the throne, and there is a white beautiful crown on the head of Almighty. There is a huge white parasol. As you see this, it is artificial, that is automatic white parasol of God.
श्वेत छतर सिर मुकुट विराजे देखत ना उस चेहरे नु.
It is said, you do not see that God And
ऊंची थड़ियां खेती बोए ये भूल गए नजर डरे नू.
like ones who do arbitrary worship, it is such a practice like a farmer has planted seeds, cultivation on a high mound, and if sometimes it rains, there may grow some grains, otherwise, nothing happens in it. And Deher is flat ground, fertile land, that is called Deher, that is a lake. Means water does not stop there. That is, the rainwater from above used to work as irrigation in that. This is the speech of old time. And in that ground, in 1 acre, 50 grams of wheat grow, and on higher hills, hardly 2 dhali means 10 kilos grow because that place is not meant for farming. The arbitrary worship that we do for that god says you have sown seeds on high hills and you have forgotten your native place. You have forgotten your all happiness giving god Kabirji, and you are sitting by sowing seeds on these arbitrary forms of worship. You are becoming poor because of this. Then what is being said?
ये संसार समझदा नहीं कहंदा श्याम दोपहरे रू. ओए होए गरीब दास ये वक्त जात है रोवोगे इस पैरे रू. ये संसार समझदा नहीं और कहंदा श्याम दोपहरे नू.
Here, creature has so much suffering. Virtuous souls, we have become habitual to this misery. And when you will get the slightest sense of happiness, then see, God says that you are lying like this in comparison to Satlok. This Kal has made you drink cannabis.
कबीर ये माया अटपटी सब गट आन अड़ी और किस किस न समझाऊं या कुआ बांग पड़ी.
Like someone has drink alcohol or has consumed cannabis, is intoxicated and is lying outside in the month of June in Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, or Uttar Pradesh in sand, on road, and if someone tells him, brother, see, you are sweating and how bad is your condition, there is so much trouble above all, there is sun, you are dying of thirst, come let me pick you up and take you in shade. That drunkard says, leave me, I am having fun. We are in this situation today. God says, ये संसार समझदा नहीं कहंदा शाम दोपहरे नू. He says it is cold, there is no problem, I am not feeling any heat. Like relatives meet in court and shake hands with each other. Shake hands and ask, how are you? He says, I am having fun. What's fun in court? Both sad ones go and say, I am having fun. We have learned to say only fun, but we do not know about fun. When a child becomes ill, they go to medical, relatives go to hospital to meet him. First they shake hands and then ask, are you fine? Well, all is fine, we are having fun. And how is child? He says he is about to die. Then how is it fun? Tell, ye sansar samajhda nahi, कहंदा शाम दोपहरे नू. There is fire and they say we are having fun. Is there a place for fun in this dirty world? God says,
गरीब दास ये वक्त जात है रोवोगे इस पैरे नू.
if this time is gone out of hand, this God's knowledge, and you went away from here in between, did not do devotion, then you will cry for this time. This human life will not be obtained. And you become a God. You must have seen at night how dogs cry in street, suffering from heat and cold. You must have seen it many times because now we are human beings and have become humans of another type. Now we have become devoid of devotion. We have no pity for anyone. With the light of this knowledge, your soul will become so pure. Whenever a sad creature will be seen, your soul will cry that really there is so much trouble for creature here. Because now your intoxication will go away by taking antibiotics. Of this knowledge, dogs facing upward do oh. Now nothing will happen by doing oh, God says. Garib Das, this time will be gone. This time will be lost from hands. This body and devotion is not complete. Then you will cry for this time. You will cry remembering this time. Then Identity of God is told.
मैं तो दे दी है बाल मैयाणे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बाल मैयाणे नू, मैं तो दे दी याणे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बाल मैयाणे नू। गीता और भागवत पढ़े ना बूझे शब्द ठिकाने नू, गीता और भागवत पढ़े ना बूझे शब्द ठिकाने नू। मन मुथरा दिल द्वारका नगरी, तू क्या करे बरसाने नू।
What does God tell? You read Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Shri Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Sham Milade, Om Namah Shivaya. Are these mantras anywhere in Gita? They say,
गीता और भागवत पढ़े ना बूझे शब्द ठिकाने नू।
listen to 7 days story of Bhagavat. They do not know ABC. What is the path to salvation? By reading those stories, will spectacles of Krishna Ji lead to attaining salvation? You do not chant a mantra that is written in Gita. Instead, chant another mantra. You read Gita.
गीता और भागवत पढ़े नहीं बूझे शब्द ठिकाने नू।
Shabad Thikanenu means no one pays attention towards that original mantra with which mantra's salvation will be attained.
जब फुरमान धनी का आवे को रखे घर जाने नू। ओहो।
How deep it has been said, respected Garib Das Sahib Ji, who had become familiar with God, and God took him to Satlok, then left him back. So, respected Garib Das Sahib Ji is telling status of God as seen with eyes.
जब फुरमान धनी का आवे को रखे घर जाने नू। जा सतगुरु का शरणा लीजे जो मेटे जम तलबाणे नू। मैं तो दे दी है बालम याणे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बालम याणे नू, मैं तो दे दी है बालम याणे नू।
Yani means unknown. What is being said? जब फरमान धनी का आवे, when your time is over, your life is over, then an order will come from above that take him out from body and take him away. It is said that then who will stop going home? Then what is being said?
जा सतगुरु का शरणा लीजे जो मिटे जम तलबाणे नू।
Come under refuge of that Satguru who tells the messengers of Kal that go away from here. I have extended his age.
जम जो राजा से डरे ये मिटे कर्म के लेख, अदली असल कबीर हैं ये कुल के सतगुरु एक। काल डरे करतार से जय 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 जगदीश, ये जोरा जोड़ी झाड़ता पगर्द डारे शीश।
What does God tell?
काल जो पीसे पीसना ये जोरा है पनिहारे, ये दो असल मजदूर हैं मेरे सतगुरु के दरबारे।
Respected Garib Das Maharaj Ji got familiar with God's power. Then he has said, Ye Kal jo peese peesna. This Lord of 21 universes, Brahma, understand him to be servant of God Kabir. And Jora hai Panihar. This death, it is said, death fills water for God, meaning is his maid servant. She cannot take even a single step without God's order. Kal dare kartar se. Who is Kartar? Kabir is God.
अनंत कोट ब्रह्मांड का एक रति नहीं भारे, सतगुरु पुरुष कबीर हैं ये कुल के सिरजनहारे।
काल डरे करतार से, this owner of 21 universes, और जय 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 जगदीश. Jora means death, Jora Jori, Jhadta. This death cleans God's shoes and then applies that dust on her forehead. Means our God is so powerful. Garib Das Ji says, Satguru Sharana aakar phir Dharmraj dar kaisa. Leave aside others, even the judge here shivers with God's name. Once when God Kabir was taking Garib Das Ji above to Satlok, they reached Dharmraj, judge's court, seeing gods. power, Dharamraj left his throne, his seat, and said, God, Kabir, please come and sit. God Kabir, while standing, scolds him like a higher officer scolds a lower officer and orders him like this. God is scolding. It is said,
धर्मराय दरबार में दी कबीर तलाक, मेरे भूले चूके हंस को तू पकड़िए मत कजाक.
Dharamraj said, O God, I am helpless, like he has committed many sins before coming under your shelter. Lord, I have to give its reward to him. God Kabir says that,
कर्म भ्रम ब्रह्मांड के मैं पल में कर हूँ नेस, और जिन हमरी दुहाई दी सो करो हमारे पेश.
God says, I will cancel all these deeds. God tells,
जब भी सतनाम हृदय धरो और भयो पाप को नाश, जैसे चिनगारी अग्नि की पड़े पुराने घास.
God says, I will destroy sins like this. In same way, Garib Das Ji Maharaj, while standing God's power, says, Kal dare kartar se. Then God had gone to Kal. He too lowered his neck. Then God had taken Garib Das Ji above by putting foot on his head. He has closed 11th gate. You had only heard of the 10th door so far. They used to say this. It was incomplete knowledge. This was all Kal's web, Kal's game, this entire knowledge. The 11th gate enters into 7 quadrillion universes of Parabrahm in Akshar Purush. After crossing 7 quadrillion universes of Akshar Purush, then comes the 12th door. Then after crossing it, one goes to Satlok. He's sitting there being alert that no one crosses from here. This Kal has stopped us. There only God Kabir and his true worshipper can go. When Satnam mantra is chanted accompanied by Sarnam, then Kal lowers his neck. So God says,
जैसे फणपति मंत्र सुन राखे फण सकोड़, ऐसे बीरा मेरे मंत्र तयू काल लवे मुंह मोड़.
just as one who controls snakes means Garudu utters a mantra to snakes while chanting mantra. If he has raised his hood, then he lowers it and tries to run away. There is so much power in that mantra. God says,
जैसे फणपति मंत्र सुन राखे फण सकोड़, ऐसे बीरा मेरे मंत्र तयू काल लवे मुंह मोड़.
the skull's head will bow down and we will go from above him. Garib Das Ji says, Kal dare kartar se. This has been told by him, God Kabir.
अनंत कोट ब्रह्मांड का एक रति निभार, और सतगुरु पुरुष कबीर हैं ये कुल के सृजनहार. काल डरे करतार से जय 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 जगदीश, और ये जोरा जोड़ी झाड़ता पगरत डारे शीस. और काल जपी से पीसना, और यह मौत है पनिहार, ये दो असल मजदूर हैं मेरे सतगुरु के दरबार.
God says, now a context has come in this that
जब फुरमान धनी का आवे, को राखे घर जाने नु, जा सतगुरु का शरणा ले ले जो मेटे जम तलबाने नु.
Talvana means summon. When summon comes from Yam, god of death, and he says, go back, I have cancelled, go back, my devotee will not go with you. A devotee was saying, I have listened to your knowledge, God's knowledge, that Yam's messenger cannot take God Kabir's devotee. And this is true. It is guaranteed that Yam's messenger cannot come near you. He was saying 3-4 messengers came to me in dream. 2 came, they were 2 or 4 as he was telling. They grabbed me from my hands and took me out of my body. My body was seen lying below and I was going up. I asked, where are you taking me? Tell me. They said, come, we will tell you. You will only know in the court of Dharamraj. There your account will be done and then we will tell you where you will be taken. He said, then I remembered, who are you? You are messenger of Yam, so what do we look to you for? Then devotee thought that messengers of Yam cannot take me because we are devotees of God Kabir. Hearing this, we got into a fight. They beat me and I beat them. There was a fight. By the time they dragged me to Dharamraj's court, he says, "You cannot take me, I am devotee of God Kabir." Then one of them was sent to ask, else we might be beaten unnecessarily. The messenger said, "He is saying with such confidence, you go once and ask from Dharamraj." He went there and asked, "Whom you sent us to bring?" That person is saying, "I am a devotee of Kabir Sahib and you cannot take me. You are not allowed to take me. How are you taking me?" Then Dharamraj opened his account book and saw and said, "Leave him soon. You will get me also killed." They came back and said, "Leave him. He is not to be taken. It is Dharamraj's order. Leave him quickly." Then both of them left me. Those notorious ones slammed me as it is, and I came falling from above. Topsy-turvy, I'm dead. All of a sudden, I entered in my body below. I became like this. I was sweating completely. My mouth was dry. And if I raise my hand, it does not move. If I raise my leg, it does not move. Then after 5 minutes, my body's movement became normal and I remembered that my ticket was cut today. I was really dead if I had not been in refuge. Then he tells, "Pious souls, then he had firm belief that all words till today, whatever glory we have heard of Almighty is true." Then what is said? "जब फरमान धनी का आवे, को राखे घर जाने नू." It is said that when Almighty's order, God's order will come, then who will stop what is being said? "जा सतगुरु का शरणा लीजे, जो मेटे जम तलबाने नू." Cancel Kal's order.
जम जो राजा से डरे मिटे कर्म के लेख, अदली असल कबीर है।
Adli means judge. Real judge is Kabir.
और कुल के सतगुरु एक। बोलो सतगुरुदेव जय हो।
The Supreme Father, God, complete Brahma, creator of all creation, Almighty. God Kabir Ji is our Supreme Father. He is creator of whole creation. He is same God who has a special mention in Vedas and Gita that Paramakshar Brahm, God, Paramakshar Brahm, who is supreme power, is destroyer of sins. He is our creator. He can only destroy our bondage from Kal. Only that God should be worshipped. Virtuous souls, that God Himself has come and has given us knowledge that you are not a resident of here. You do not have a permanent place here. And He explained to those virtuous souls to whom He came and met, they recognized God. Then those great men also beat the drum of knowledge of God Kabir, that Kabir is God.
हम सुल्तानी नानक तारे दादू को उपदेश दिया, जात जुलाहा भेद न पाया, का सीमा है कबीर हुआ।
God lived in weaver form in Banaras for 120 years in Kashi city in holy land of India. He had come bodily and had gone bodily because He is that God who is unborn. He does not take birth from a mother. That God has created all of us, and to great men whom He met have told God's glory.
अनंत कोट ब्रह्मांड का एक रति नहीं भारे, सतगुरु पुरुष कबीर हैं ये कुल के सिरजनहार।
Virtuous souls, human life is not attained again and again.
और मनुष्य जीवन पाकर जो नहीं रटे हरि नाम, जैसे कुआ जल बिना फिर बनवाया क्या काम।
God has come and warned us that you destroy this human life by Kal's inspiration only in accumulating worldly material pleasures here, and whole life, whatever property you accumulate, build bungalows, make bank balance, it is not yours. This Kal has deceived you. At first we did not understand who is Kal. Then creation of universe that God narrated did not enter our mind. We could not believe it because we had heard legends. Till now the problem in front of us was we have not accepted God as God, and we accepted those who were not God as God. Shri Shiv Puran, which is in Sanskrit, which is published and printed by Venkateshwara Press, in that you have seen this Kal is telling Brahma and Vishnu that you are not God. You are not God. Mistakenly, you have considered yourself to be God. He says, I am God. All this is mine. Here God tells, He Himself came and told, and those great men whom God met have given an affidavit of God. God says,
मुल्ला माया मग में बैठी अनसा चुन चुन खाई, ये ज्योत स्वरूपी कहे निरंजन में ही करता भाई। एक न करता दो ना करता नौ ठहराए भाई, और दसवां भी धुंधर में मिल जा सत कबीर दुहाई।
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।